We call her Bernie. This is Charlie. He's about 16 or 17.
So we opened Freed Spirits Animal Rescue in 2019, and the day that we opened, we had 5 animals come with us. 2 goats, Frankie the cow, Pig, Izzy, who's since passed, and Charlie the donkey. Since then, we've grown to 30 animals now. We've rescued several who have never come to the property, just resourced out through word of mouth. We have a group of very dedicated volunteers, and we would love for you to come out and check us out. We have a great time. We're open every morning, 8 to 11. Thanks for listening.